Alright, if you want to master web development fast in 2026, listen up. I'm giving you the exact do-ditch plan to go from confused to shipping real apps. Quick. Most people waste months learning and never build anything. I'm not doing that to you. Here's the speed run. Do. Pick a stack in 5 minutes. Frontend, HTML. Modern CSS with Tailwind. React, Backend. Node with Express. Or Next.js full stack roots. Database, PostgreSQL with Prisma. That's your lane. No detours. Ditch, tutorial hoarding. If you're not typing code by minute 10, you're stalling. Do, build 3 tiny clones in 1 week. Sticky Notes app, movie search using an API. Habit tracker with auth. Each must have sign up and login, create, edit, delete, and a responsive UI. Ditch, pixel perfect paralysis. Ship ugly, then polish. Do, daily, 90-minute sprints. 30 minutes learn, 60 minutes build. Timer on, phone away. Ditch, binge watching, best stack in 2026 videos. Your stack is chosen, remember? Do, use AI like a senior buddy, not a crutch. Ask for code snippets. Ask for patterns. Ask for tests. Then rewrite in your own words. Ditch, copy-paste black boxes you don't read. Do, master the 5 core skills. CSS layouts, Flexbox. CSS layouts, grid with 3 real sections. State in React, props. State in React, use state. State in React, use effect. Auth, JWT. Auth, next auth. Secure cookies. CRUD with Postgres via Prisma. Deployment, Versal for frontend or Next. Deployment, render for APIs and DB. Deployment, fly for APIs and DB. Ditch, over-engineering with microservices in Kubernetes. Not yet. Do, 1 big project in week 3. Skill sprint, a learning tracker. Include streaks, include tags, include public profiles, build, deploy, share. Ditch, private Git repos, make it public, pin it. Write a crisp README and a 30-second Loom demo.